How to use Shein student discount. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also a student and you want to get a Shein student discount using Shein platform, here's what you need to do. So to get a student discount on Shein, you'll need to verify your student status through a platform such as Unidates or Student Beans. So you can use either of those, and from over there you can just head over to their free students discount offer or option. And once you choose a required platform, if you are using Unidates, just sign up for an account and verify your student status with your school email or student ID. And if you are using student beans, just follow their process to verify that you are a student and your student status. So once verified, you will receive a unique discount code which you shall be using to redeem your discount on the same application after selecting the item that you would like to purchase. After proceeding to the checkout page, so you can basically enter your student discount code in the designated field, promo and usually labeled promo code or discount code, and the discount shall be applied to your order total. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.